Guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to edit your videos. So I'm going to show you how to edit your videos. Now you don't have to download this exact app, but you can download any other app which is a screen recorder. So if you want to record your screen and stuff, or if you're just doing it normal. So I've got my video. So I would recommend downloading CapCut and go new product and click the video that you want to edit. Now here I'm just going to show you how to add sound. So yeah, I'm going to add audio. You can go effects and you can got loads of these. You've got clapping and all of that. Okay. So there's ambitions as well. So I found this one. And I can import that sound to this. Okay, so it can stop here. So to make a smooth transition, do it exactly as it soon as it stops. Okay, right. So I'm going to grab and click on the bar and then bring it down to where you want the sound to stop. Like that. Okay. So if I go back to the beginning, it's not as long. Okay, right. So what you got to do now is just try bring it back, which is not working. Okay, right. I think I know what's the problem. Is get rid of that. Why can't I drag this? There. This is a problem, guys. This isn't a part of the video. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so then you can also do other stuff. So there's a new thing called effects. Oh, not that. Not this. Effects. Okay. That is the wrong type of effects. Hold up. You go off. Effects, this one. And you got video effects, body effects, and photo effects. I'm gonna go video effects. There's so many. So like, how would it look if I did this? Very look different. Okay. So like black flash. I don't know if it shows that. Okay, so I don't know if it's the same thing. Let's see. It's on eagle, so flashing. That's just annoying. It's not really working. Okay, chrome zoom. That one's cool. There's loads of them. I don't know which one I want to put. Like a DVD screensaver. Just a mini one. Noise. God, what is that one? Lightning. There is loads you can do. My favorite one is the mosaic or the blur one. That's weird. Because this one's literally like pixelated blur. If you let it's very pixelated blur. So you like go like this and then blur. That's not what you want, okay. You just and then you can delete. So this I'm happy with this one. Okay. Then I'm gonna see body effects. What is this? Streamer. Body. Headwear. So you can like, yeah. That's cool. Very, very cool. It won't work on this because there isn't. But like if you wanna, yeah, nice. So I've shown you how to add sound. So once you've done that, you want to do that, and you're done. Bye.